Hey YouTube, it's Erica from K-Pop with me, and I'm back once again. Rain, produced by Psy, which I think is so awesome. The best present. I have no idea what to expect, but Rain, woohoo, that man, Rain. He's like he's older, obviously. Like, yeah, he's married and he went to the military and everything. That's how attractive he is, and his voice. Woo. But the first song I actually listened to him was Love Song, and then I was instantly hooked because of those body rolls. And then 30 Sexy, that was such a good song. Rainism, and when the idols would cover it and do their own version of it, like BTS. Woo! LA Song, that was awesome too. I don't really know what to expect for this, but I'm so excited to finally react to it. So let's get into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that voice. Look at that. Oh my god. Boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's in all black too. Oh my god. That voice. Oh my god, look at him move. Oh my gosh. The lyrics too. Oh, it's like a legit love song again. Oh my. Oh my gosh. It kind of sounds like it would be like a sad love song, but it's just a legit love song. But I'm so distracted the way he's dancing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. I keep saying it, but like, wow. Oh my gosh. Yes! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh boy! Oh! Good god, he looks so fine. I'm in awe. Look at this choreo too. Jesus, boy. Look at that body. Oh my god. I like the contrast that was black and now it's white and now it's colored. Oh, you got me there, boy. You got me. Oh, it's like a wedding song too, boy. Oh, nice visual effect, nice. Whoa! That was cool. Kind of hurting my head with all the spinning though, to be honest. Oh my god. That high tone voice, that high note, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, that deep breathing, stop. Oh, when you, oh my god, I love his hair. Oh, cute. Ah, Rain, please, no. I love you, boy. That was so good. Ah, inner fangirl for Rain's back. Oh my gosh. The very end when he was like, it reminds me of like just like 90s like love songs. It's just the song actually just like in general it's like a 90s love song, which I really like I grew up on that stuff. And to hear Rain going for this and this song was amazing. It was perfect. I really like that he used dance to convey the lyrics instead of an actual like storyline, because he's had done storylines before and he's done other songs where he's just dancing. 30 Sexy, I think it was kind of like that. I think I could be wrong. I'm very pleased and happy, and just it was so simple because, you know, there's like a couple lights and just mainly him dancing. It's just not even like flashy clothes. It was just like all black and then all white. I just really like that to focus on the choreography for it. It really spoke to me, and it just, I could tell like to focus on that. Yeah, I was focusing on his body, sorry. But overall, it was like, yeah, that was the point of it, was the choreo, because that was conveying the music. Because yeah, he was singing, but to focus on the way he was dancing to this song, it was like incredible. Just, I have no words. It was just amazing. I love it. And that Psy produced this was even more cooler and just makes it all the better. So I'm glad you're finally back, and I can't wait to see what else you have in store for us. But anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!